Hello student, today in this video we are going to learn about divisibility test for numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. First, test of divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2 says that number should have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its unit place. For example, 30, 52, 84, 136, 2108. Here 30, here 0 is ones digit number. Here ones digit number is 2. Again here ones digit number is 4. 136, here ones digit number is 6. Therefore, all these numbers are divisible by 2. In example 2, here ones digit number is 1, 3, 5. So, therefore, these numbers are not divisible by 2. Next, test of divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3 says that sum of all digits of a number should be divisible by 3. For example, 64,275. Okay. Now, first we have to find the sum of digits, sum of the digits. 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5 is equal 24. Okay. Now 24 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Example 2, here number 39,583. Now first we find the sum of digits. 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 is equal 28. 28 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also not divisible by 3. Next, test of divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4 says that number formed by last two digit means ones place and tens place. Number formed by last two digit should be divisible by 4. For example, 96,852. Here last two digit means ones place and tens places. Ones place and tens place is 52. If 52 is divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. If 52 is not divisible by 4, then the number is also not divisible by 4. So let's check 52 is divisible by 4 or not. 96,852. Last two digit 52. 4 ones are 4. Remainder 1, 2. 4 threes are 12. Here 52 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this number 96,852 is also divisible by 4. Example second, 61,394. Here last two digit is 94. 94 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, the given number 61,394 is not divisible by 4. Next, test of divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5 says that unit place should be either 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 0 or 5. Example: 65, 195, 230, 310. All these number here, in these two number, 0 is ones digit number and 5 is ones digit number. Therefore, these number are divisible by 5. In example 2, here 1 is ones digit number. Here ones digit number is 3. Ones digit number is 4. Therefore, all these number are not divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 6. In divisibility by 6, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by each one of 2 and 3. Note that 2 and 3 are the prime factor of 6. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Here, divisibility by 6 says that numbers should be divisible by both 2 and 3. 2 and 3. For example, 18, 42, 60, 114, 1356. Here 18 is divisible by 2 and 18 is also divisible by 3. Here 2 9s are 18 and 3 6 are 18. If 18 is divisible by both numbers 2 and 3, then 18 is also divisible by 6. Next, 42. 42 is also divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, 42 is divisible by 6. In example 2, 21. 21 is divisible by 3, but 21 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, 21 is not divisible by 6. Again, 34 is divisible by 2, but 34 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 34 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 34 is also not divisible by 6. Next, test of divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digit. Twice the ones digit means last digit, and the number formed by other digit means is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Now, to check this number 66,804, to check this number is divisible by 7 or not, first multiply last digit by 2 and then subtract the number by remaining digit. Remaining digit means 680. Okay. First remaining number 680 and last digit is 4. First multiply last digit by 2. 2 4s are 8. 680 minus 8 is equal 672. If 672 is divisible by 7, then the given number is also divisible by 7. So let's check. 672 is divisible by 7 or not? Here 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. 4. Next 7 6 are 42. Here 672 is divisible by 7. Therefore, number 6804 is also divisible by 7. Next, test of divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last its digit in 100, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 8 says that number formed by last 3 digit means ones, tens and 100 digit should be divisible by 8. For example, 79,152. Here last 3 digit is 152. If last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the given number is also divisible by 8. So let's check. 79,152. First 8 ones are 8. Remainder 7, 2. Next 8 nines are 72. Here 152 is divisible by 8. Therefore, given number 79,152 is also divisible by 8. Next, test of divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Here, divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 9 both are same. Okay. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. Given number 65,403. First, we have to find the sum of all digits. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3 is equal 18. If 18 is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9, and here 9 2s are 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 65,403 is also divisible by 9. Example 2, 81,326. Sum of its digit 20. 20 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 9. Test of divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. For example, 30, 160, 690, 720. Here, ones digit is 0. Again, ones digit is 0, 0, 0. Therefore, these numbers are divisible by 10. In example 2, here ones digit is 1. Next, ones digit is 2, 3, 4. Therefore, all these numbers are not divisible by 10. Last, test of divisibility by 11. Test of divisibility by 11 says if the difference of the sum of its digit in odd places, okay, sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places is either 0 or a multiple of 11. First, we have to find the sum of digits in odd places, then sum of digits in even places, and then we have to find the difference of the two sums. Okay. For example, 90,728. Here odd digit is 2 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here odd digit is 1, 8. Second digit 7, and last third digit is 9. Okay, and 2 and 0 is even digit. Both are even. So sum of digits in odd places. Sum of digit in odd places means 9 plus 7 plus 8. sum of digits in even places. Even places mean 2 and 0. 2 plus 0. Next, sum of odd digit is 24 and sum of digits in even places is 2. Next, difference 22. Here 22 is divisible by 11. Yes, 11 2s are 22. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 11. Second example. Here, sum of digits in odd places 3, 4 and 6. Right? Sum of digits in even places. Digits in even places 2, 3, okay, and 8. Next, find the sum 13 and 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. Okay, divisibility by 11 says that difference of the sum of its digit in odd places and sum of digit in even places is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Here, difference of these two sums is 0. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 11. So student, that was all about divisibility test for numbers. Thank you.